Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Yamla Wi-Fi smart camera. So, picked this up on Amazon about a week ago or so. Let's see here. What have we got? So, got a little bit of foam. We got the Cloud IP startup guide. Got some cables and junk. Let's see. So, this looks like it's the power source. And this is going to be 12 volt. This is going to be a 12 volt connection here. This will plug into the camera itself. Alright, looks like we've got an Allen key. We've got some screws in here, and then we've got some drywall anchors too. Alright, here is the camera itself. Make sure we don't have anything else in here. Looks like we got a Cat 6 cable. And I'm not sure what that is actually. And that's about it. Oh, there's one more thing. Looks like we need that. That is the antenna for this device. Put that off to the side there. Alright, so we got the camera itself. Fairly small, actually. I would say this is about 3 inches long, maybe an inch and a half tall, maybe an inch and a half wide. So feels very sturdy. This is so it's got the rotating arm here. So you can either have it angled, straight out, and then it looks like these cable connections will screw into the wall. I did read that this actually is capable of being powered from 3 different sources. So that's pretty cool. I guess this here on the back. Oh, yeah. So this is just covering the back hole here. Man, this thing feels solid. It's IP66 waterproof and dustproof too. This camera is actually aimed at being an outdoor camera. So you could use this as a game cam. You could use this for a security camera. You can use this just about for whatever you need. Honestly, you could use this inside too. Mount it down. I wonder if this part here screws. Anyway, so pretty cool. Looks like we got some good stuff here. All right. Thanks, y'all. Take care.